gaya ng assessment natin, this arrow access designed to give panic or threats to the public to affect the natural processes or events in that particular place. So insofar as the investigation is concerned, there is no connection na nakikita natin doon sa mga incident doon sa Metro Manila. They are isolated events. As a matter of fact, kung nakikita natin, ang punto lang dito, pagka may mga exams, may mga activities ng school doon sa data is enrollment process na nila. Maybe, siguro, wala pang pambayad ng estudyante to delay the processes, to delay the events. Doon naman sa mga ibang schools, may na sila, may exams, lalo na dito sa MMSU, lagi may examinations ay na disrupt yung classes and classes ng pag-examinations ng mga bata doon sa school na concern. So, ulitin ko, there is no evidence pointing or showing any relevance or relation to those events occurring in Metro Manila. Not even a single point that we can connect them to the leftist group. Because as a matter of fact, we did not yet identify those personalities. Though we admit that we identified some persons of interest, those prior events, but we cannot connect them to the leftist group. Thank you.